Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shantae London. Today we're going to be juicing. This is my first time juicing. If you guys remember, I had bought this because it said that I wanted to start juicing. And I kind of did a little concoction of the celery with the dragon fruit. And it didn't turn out quite how I like it because I didn't have anything to capture all the excess stuff in it. So I had these leftover celery with the carrots and stuff like that, and so I had to get some oranges to make this happen. It's because I don't want it to taste so bitter that I don't want to drink it, so I decided to just go ahead and get something to make it sweeter. I'm also going to be doing the second drink as well, and you'll see that later on. So I'm just going to compare the two and see which one I like. So you guys, let's go ahead and get started, okay? I'm just going to, okay, so now I'm just going to add the carrots. As you can see, I forgot to take the orange out of the thing, but that's all right. So I'm going to go ahead and just place all the carrots in there so we can get the carrot juice from it. Not all of the carrots, but majority is possible. Yeah. And we're going to see how this works, okay? How this does. Uh-oh. Woo! Don't worry about it. It's good. Countertop is clean. I'm going to go ahead and pick this apart so that I can put it down there afterwards. Okay? All right, let's go.
Me don't know.
Let me tell you about this girl, maybe I shouldn't. I met her in Philly, and her name was Brian Sugar. See, we been making love constantly, that's why my eyes are a shade blood burgundy. The way that we kiss is unlike any other way that I be kissing when I'm kissing what I miss, won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off your love, I don't know how to behave. To me
is what we got so far. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mix this up, clean this up, and then I'm gonna start on the next one, and then I'll come back to you guys. Okay, so now that we got that all cleaned up, we're gonna go with, I already cut them up, but we're gonna go with celery, orange, and lemon. And we're gonna see how this goes. All right, let's go.
Sugar got me open, now I want some more. Always down for my nauseous swine, but I think I'm here to solo. Hope my niggas don't mind. Stick out my tongue and I'm about ready to hit this gritty, pretty bitty with persistence. Yo, I don't think y'all hit me. Brown sugar, babe. I get high off of love, don't know how to behave.
Time will bring the real and the natural. There'll be no remnants, no trace, no residual feelings within you. Then you won't remember me.
All right, so we got that all mixed up. This is your magic bullet. No promo. This is your magic bullet. It got a powerful, like, engine or whatever you call it on it. And so I'm going to go ahead and clean this up here. And then I'm going to come back to you with both of the drinks and I'll let you know how it tastes. Be right back. All right, guys, welcome back. All right, so we have our celery, carrots, and the orange. I did go ahead and use all the carrots because I was like, oh, okay, why not? And then, so this is gonna be your celery, your orange, as well as your lemon. All right, so let's go ahead and juice. We're gonna try this first. Not bad. I can still taste. I did put some ice in here as well because I like my drinks cold. I can taste pretty much everything in it, but it's not so strong just with the celery in it alone. So I don't like that. Okay. All right. Cheers. Oh. I think I may have a favorite. I think I like the orange with the celery and the lime in it. It gives you a citrussy taste to it and not so overpowering with the celery that's in it. So if you guys juice, let me know which one you guys like the best. If you try this out on your own, or even if you do juice, just let me know which one you like the best, okay? All right, let me go ahead and finish this up. You guys have a wonderful day. Bye.
You seem anxious, you seem adamant, but you ain't pressed my